Hello everyone. So in this video we will look at React hooks. So let's start. Hooks. So hooks is basically added in React version 16.8. So why we need hooks? So hooks is basically allowed in functional components. We were discussing in the last video, I think, that class component is so syntax is bit complex than functional component. So functional component is allowing us to use the functionalities of class component using hooks. So basically hooks allow functional component to have access to state and other React features. Because of this, class components are generally no longer needed. See, hooks allow us to hook into React features such as state and lifecycle methods. So for our first hook is useState hook. The React useState hook allow us to track the state in a function component. We will look into example in 2 or 3 minutes, so just wait. State generally refers to data or properties that need to be tracking in application. So you can understand what is state. State is basically a thing or a variable kind of thing. So we can manipulate the variables property. Okay. To use the useState hook, we first need to import it into our component. The syntax is here: import useState from React. So useState hook accept an initial state and return two values. First one is the current state, and second one is a function that updates the current state. Now let's learn useState hooks with example. So first of all, we need to import useState hook here. So just type useState, S is capital. See, we have imported useState hook. Now we have to write, or we have to initialize useState. So you just have to type useState, or you can manually type this. So this is initial value. Now let's suppose we will provide my name. Now the state. So let's suppose the first our useState name, where the variable name is name and the function name is setName. Now I have to print here hello and name. Now let's run and check. You can see here our useState hook value, and this is hello. Now we will use this function, the second parameter. So let's initialize a button, and now let's say change name. And we have to create a function, or we can also call it from here. So let's call it from here. On click. Now I have to make an anonymous function call. Now use this function setName and provide here new value like world. Save and let's run. So you can see output. This is hello Bhavik. This is our useState variable value. So now let's check the button. See, hello world. Let's rerun again. See, this is our initial value, and let's change this value. Click hello world. So this is how useState hook works. So that's it for this video. We will look into different kind of hooks in further videos. Bye bye.